Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us today. Today we'll be speaking about Beware, Insane Nio Rumour. Please watch the entire video to figure out all the details. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification. Alright then, let's get started. NIO is one of several Chinese EV manufacturers making inroads into the global market. Attracted our attention when it unveiled the EP9 supercar. Since then, the automaker has unveiled a slew of remarkable electric vehicles aimed squarely at Tesla. NIO now provides the mid-size EC6 and ES6 crossovers and the full-size ES8, but the range will be increased soon. NIO's new mid-size ET5 has indeed made its digital debut, and it's willing to contend with the Tesla Model 3. The ET5 is the second of three NIO Technology Platform 2.0 devices. When it comes to ET5, there's a wild rumor circulating concerning NIO ET5 pre-orders. Rumors figures seem good, but we want to warn you and explain why that rumor is most undoubtedly incorrect. That's a good thing for NIO stock. We wouldn't want you to be lured away by rumors and end up situations where they're most probably fake. It would be better or worse, but it's something that one can be wary of if interested in the NIO stock. The first wave of prototypes of NIO's fifth model, the ET5, has gone off the manufacturing line at the Hefei factory, according to Mingxi Pingxi official information from NIO. Pre-sale prices range from 328,000 to 386 yuan. The car is available in three models, each with a range of 550, 700, and 1,000 kilometers. It takes only 4.3 seconds to accelerate from 10 kilometers to 100 kilometers. NIO ET5's rivals are almost equal in price position for the Tesla Model 3 as NIO's cheapest car at the moment. The final straw for the Tesla Model 3 is the Waylay ET5. NIO Automobile's founder, Li Bin, unveiled the ET5, a new 100% electric mid-size vehicle, and announced its pre-sale. As per NIO's official announcement, the new car's orders surpassed 60,000 units in just 5 days, and the NIO ET5, which sold 328,000 units, is a huge hit. First and foremost, the one is a highly divisive electric vehicle with nearly equal favorable and bad ratings. ET5 has gotten a lot of attention since it was released as NIO's second sedan, or the market is filled with too many cookie-cutter sedans. ET5 is based on ET7's primary design language, which is both stylish and vibrant. The body lines are incredibly smooth, giving the color a distinctly futuristic feel. As a new model below the NT 2.0 platform, the NIO ET5 is equipped with LiDAR as expected, and many users are impressed with the technological contents. The Waylay ET5 is offered in two versions. One is a purchase of the entire car, including the battery, while the other is a battery rental, with costs varying accordingly. First and foremost, let's discuss the acquisition of the entire automobile. The 75 kilowatt-hour model has a battery life of 550 kilometers, while the 100 kilowatt-hour model has a battery life of 700 kilometers, and the prices are 328,000 and 386,000 respectively. The battery rental program for 75 kilowatt-hours and 100 kilowatt-hour models costs 258,000 yuan, which appears to be a terrific deal. Don't overlook that battery renting is 980 yuan per month and 11,760 yuan per year. If you want a long-range version with a battery life of 1,000 kilometers, you'll have to spend 1,480 yuan per month or 17,760 yuan per year, and the naked car costs the same. NIO ET5 is, in our perspective, a little overpriced. We estimated that the emission fee would be roughly $290,000. We weren't expecting NIO to be that difficult. After all, the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y continue to dominate the market. The NIO ET5 has a wheelbase of 2,880 millimeters and a body length, breadth, and height of 4,790, 1,960, 1,409 millimeters. Its dimensions are more significant than the Model 3's. Would this be the reason for the higher price than the Model 3? Bringing 10,000 steps back, the 550 km and 700 km battery life variants are already equivalent to the market's standard electric automobiles. It's more than sufficient for the majority of customers. Nevertheless, NIO ET5 only supports power transfer, and power exchange stations are currently only available in first-tier cities, and there aren't many. As a result, there are numerous disadvantages. For example, car owners who purchase a Waylay ET5 should avoid driving it in sparsely populated areas, mainly with no power exchange, as they will only be able to phone for help. Furthermore, the technological backwardness issue that Waylay ET5 is currently experiencing has been exposed. For instance, there seems to be no 800-volt super fast charging and no better giant screen, both of which are exceedingly outdated in today's new automobile manufacturing forces. Secondly, the enhanced VR panoramic immersion experience glasses are even blander. Waylay's supervisor might not realize how excellent Tesla's quick charging technology is. What makes a sedan with a strong feeling of technology different from salted fish, which opponents can readily seize, is that it does not have super fast charging. Following all, there are more and more models after the period of fully electric vehicles, and you're entirely unaware of it. Every month, numerous additional car-making capabilities will be introduced, with a NIO ET5 set to be delivered in early 2023. More people opt to change every month, and they're growing impatient for NIO ET5 to arrive. This rumor is probably fake because NIO has never published its sales numbers previously, and we think they never will publicly reveal their sales numbers. NIO has consistently made public statements concerning pre-orders, so the rumor about 60,000 units ordered in 5 days could be false. There could be more or fewer, we don't know. Use caution when it comes to rumors. According to CATHIE Securities, NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto are undervalued, and new valuation measures are needed. On February 10, 2022, China's top EV firms NIO, XPeng Motors, and Li Auto had a rough year on the stock market while having excellent credentials. According to CATHIE Securities, this is far too optimistic. CATHIE Securities analysis Yin Xin-Shi's team claims that the fundamentals and stock price performance among these three new automobile producers varied significantly in 2021 due to a systemic correction in the stock prices of Chinese firms listed beyond China. They are presented in an accelerated stage of generating profits, with high R&D spending causing them to continue at strategic losses in the short term. Still, the team's rising gross profit per vehicle has demonstrated their ability to approach break-even in the future. The PS valuation system is being challenged in the face of tightened liquidity. We propose a comparative valuation of automotive businesses based on market cap gross profit, and believe that all three are currently trading at desirable prices. The stock market mainly adopts a PS valuation system for the three new car makers because they're not yet profitable, which CATHIE Securities believes is unjustified. The ET5 features beautiful narrow LED DRLs, a Tesla-esque smooth front end with a large lower intake and flared hood, and shares many exterior design details with the larger ET7 sedan, with which it also maintains a platform. Small touches like a flat door handle, soft closed doors, and frameless windows give this automobile a premium feel. The rear end is complete with a wraparound LED taillight, a modest lip spoiler, and an aggressor diffuser. The ET5 has a length of 188.6 inches and a wheelbase of 113.7 inches. The ET5's innovative platform features all-wheel drive and a 5-link rear suspension. NIO will offer various battery pack options for the ET5, including a 75 kWh pack with 341 miles, a 100 kWh pack with a range of 434 miles, and a 150 kW pack with a range of 621 miles. These statistics are based on the Chinese test cycle, so we expect them to be lower when the car arrives in Europe next year. NIO has stated that its cars would be available for purchase in Europe by 2022, including new markets like Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. Still, it's unclear when the brand will arrive in the United States. NIO has declined by far more than a quarter in the previous few months. Most companies, particularly growth corporations, have taken a hit recently, probably due to tighter monetary policy from the Federal Reserve. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages for NIO have both dropped significantly. The Relative Strength Index (RSI) is extremely oversold. With the $30 support shattered, this has turned into overhanging resistance, with the following amount of support possibly as low as $23. With that stated, NIO's fundamentals haven't changed and have strengthened, with Bank of America analysis subsequently offering a buy rating. It's a return of nearly 200% at today's value. We feel this price goal is still achievable because the underlying situation hasn't altered. The current price of NIO is appealing and investors should consider adding this company to their portfolio. NIO is an excellent option to round out a well-balanced and diverse portfolio. Although there are dangers related to CCP regulation and the broader economic outlook, the potential return seems to be too tremendous to ignore at this time. Well, that's all we have for today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we see you next time, ciao!